The last 8 years been up and down. It wasn't easy at first. It was a lot of soul searching. You know, there was times that we sat and we talked and said, are we really going to get through this? With the integrity and having each other around each other, being able to say, we can do this. You know, we had the bumps, the bruises, and we had the highlights, you know, just people saying, thank you for being here. That really kept us encouraged as well. Over the 8 years, it has really changed our personalities.
Beverly and Sabrina, we're sisters, best friends, partners that happen to really enjoy what we do. We love the Lord more than anything else, love family, and we love people. So the laundromat was a great opportunity for us to do what we want to do. You know, people say it takes money to make money. That is so not true. Because we didn't have a lot of money, but we're still making money. Some of the expert laundry blogs that tell you that you need all this money down, you need to come up with 20%, you know, $300,000 in order to open up a laundromat business. That is so not true. We are actually proof. I was a little apprehensive when I saw Danny with the DVD. It's probably another one of these schemes that he probably didn't know what he's talking about. But I watched it again, I listened again, I said, well, you know, it's an investment. And it's something that we want to do because there was not a lot of information out there about laundry, owning an actual laundromat. If I had to say anything about Danny Danny is a great guy. He hasn't forgotten us. You know, I can shoot him an email and you would think, oh, he's just too busy for all that. But he always makes time for us. And that says a lot about Danny's character.
He's not only a business person, he's real. It's really relaxing to be able to know that, you know, he has all that you need bottled up inside of him and he can tell it when he wants to tell it.
And he's definitely real. He's a real straight shooter. He gave me some pointers on some stuff. He said, look, what are you doing? You gotta do this, what are you doing? So I said, okay, I'll do that. When's the last time I watched a DVD? It's probably been about maybe 2 years now. You know, when we was really serious about looking at another location. So we said, okay, so what do we gotta do?
The DVD can really teach you negotiating. It gives you clarity as to what to say. We had to get those technical words back in our mind as to what to use. What words to use, what words Danny told us to throw out there. It gave us an extra push. It gave us the security to say it's possible to do this. And by using it, we're proof that it works. The DVD does work. The fear is the fear of failure. And once you get past that fear of failure and have a great faith and belief, knowing that you can use the DVD, knowing you got people that'll help you, that fear and that lack of faith will go away and you can get where you need to go.
What did we pay for our first laundromat? Goose egg. A big zero on that.
It really was a lot of personal time. That's all we spent, was personal time.
What did we pay for our second store? We paid the initial deposit down that they wanted for the first month's rent. How difficult was it to get into the second store? Actually, it was not hard at all because we had some good knowledge, some good groundwork. It was just time because we want to find the right location because laundromat is about location. This store is about 1,900 square feet. Our rent's about $1,400 a month, and we got the first 7 months rent free. 7 months of free rent when we walked in the door. So it gave us the opportunity to put all this nice equipment that you see in here and redo the whole store. You know, when we need support from him, we reach out to him actually. And before he had Danny, we didn't know what rent abatement was. We was like, what is that? So we didn't know people did that. So, but now we know, and we'll always know.
Terms are important. You have to make yourself go out there and speak without stuttering, without second guessing. Know and listen to what he's telling you. Know and listen. Listen more than once. Listen and make yourself sure that you understand what he's saying. And again, support, like he said, what kind of support we're getting, what kind of support you can get. Call, ask a term. Well, what does this really mean?
We didn't want to wait another 8 years like we did on the last one.
On the first one.
Yeah, on the first one. We like, okay, let's just keep it moving. So we're actually negotiating right now for store number 3. It's a big difference how I feel when I'm at work, because I tell them all the time, you know, I can walk out the door whenever I want to. That's great to have that amount of freedom in that. We are real. Just leave us alone. You need some information? The DVD is real, it works. He can consult you and walk you through it. We can't, we really can.
Since 4 years, we've had our second laundromat open. We have just signed the deal on our third laundromat, and we are just moving right along, and we're just enjoying it.
Yeah, what's changed since our last YouTube video was we've added another store in Bentonville. It's going to be our flagship store. What we're going to do is we're going to grow this business as big as we can. We're going to make it as big and as mean and as lean as God will allow us to.
My stepdad and I got my third store a year ago, November 11th.
Well, can you get a store for free?
No, I've got 2 for free.
You found me because you're interested in owning laundromats, but I want you to do it right. I'm passionate about this information. I want you to get my information and do it correctly without the pitfalls, without putting your neck in a noose, without making any mistakes. I know people, and these people have done it. Join us, join me, get into this business and do it right. Everyone constantly emails me and asks me, how can you possibly get a laundromat for free? This is the thing. These laundromats are very real and they can make you real money. If I were sitting here and having a fireside chat with you, I would explain to you that this is how you do it. The whole process deals with this. Cash money.